Quarter mile. It's a hot rod for sure. So what actually caught my attention is that it says quarter mile on the front, and I'm a quarter mile man. What do you know about that?
Well, I nicknamed the car Quarter Mile.
Oh yeah, it's a quarter mile car. Look at them big shoes on the back.
Everybody always called it misbehaving before I restored the car this time.
Misbehaving? Why misbehaving?
Well, every time I was in the car, I was misbehaving.
Oh, you. Yo, this car is unbelievable. What year is this?
1967.
Nova?
Yes, sir.
What kind of power is this thing making?
Almost enough.
Almost. See, so when you're a true horsepower junkie, you never got enough. So what do we talk about? We talk about 600-700 horsepower?
On the 10 right now, it's maybe 750, 750.
750.
It's capable with a belt change of about maybe 1100.
Really? Just with a belt
Yep.
change?
On pump gas.
Look at that, 572. Man, fuel injector, EFI. Yo, that's a work of art right there. I gotta hear the way it sounds. Can I get in and start it up?
Sure.
Ooh, yeah, baby. This is the best part about me doing this stuff. Listen to the sound of horsepower. Oh, man. No way. Listen. I would be in so much trouble. I would get in so much trouble driving this car.
Sort of like misbehaving?
Oh, I would be misbehaving. You're right. You see all that under there? That's just me.